Zanu PF activist attacks Winky D as police officers watch. The 1st of September 2025. By a correspondent, Harare, tensions between politics and music flared once again, after a Zanu PF Youth League member was filmed tearing down a Winky D concert poster from a ZUPCO bus, declaring the artist a sellout who should not be allowed to advertise on state-owned property. The poster was promoting Winky D's upcoming Tert concert. In the widely circulated video, the activist is seen pulling it off while speaking casually to police officers standing nearby. "I have removed Winky D's poster from the ZUPCO bus because the guy is a sellout," the Zanu PF youth said. The incident has sparked heated debate. Critics argue it demonstrates growing intolerance toward artists who use their music to speak out on social and political issues. Supporters of Winky D accused the ruling party of censorship and intimidation. However, others defended the activist, claiming that government resources should not be used to promote artists perceived as critical of the state. The episode, once again, underscores the uneasy relationship between Zimbabwe's ruling party and outspoken musicians, with Winky D often at the center of controversy for his politically charged lyrics.